Okay, I'm in the Galeria Mall. Actually, this is kind of a big mall. So I'm just gonna, pretty interesting. Okay, Galeria Mall. Got H&M, Uniqlo, all kinds of stuff. So we're gonna just kind of take the camera and check it all out. Yeah, the Galleria is really nice. You got this big place in here to eat. Got shops everywhere. And you get shops all the way down that way as well. Very big space. I don't want to, there's a lot of guards, so I don't want anybody to tell me not to film because I know. So I'm just going to do like little pieces. So we'll show you more soon. Okay, we're still in the Galleria Mall. And we kind of have this nice little walkway right here. It overlooks a small food court. Well, there's one restaurant down there. I think there's other stuff as well. It's kind of like a piano shape. You can see the outside. Kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna come over to this side. We got some batik carries. And Uniqlo and Atrium. So let's explore some more. Yeah, this mall really caters more towards Indonesian. I don't see hardly nearly as many foreigners, but I see a lot of Indonesian here. Just kind of interesting. Got churros, supermarket, shoes, and then we're kind of overlooking that right there, the shot time. So I think we're going to go down there and kind of show you a little bit more of Galeria. Okay. Okay, so we're back in the middle, so we're just going to end it here. So yeah, you basically have all these squares like this all the way down. You got a floor down there and a Uniqlo and an H&M. Kind of cool space.
Toma cuidado la